Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we break down the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of foldable laptops with the highly anticipated HP Spectre Foldable. Let's see if this innovative device lives up to the hype.
The HP Spectre Foldable is making waves in the tech community, boasting a sleek design and cutting-edge features.
But does it justify its hefty price tag? Let's find out. First up, let's talk design.
The Spectre Foldable impresses with its premium build quality and sleek aesthetics. Made from a magnesium alloy, it feels sturdy yet lightweight, making it ideal for on-the-go use.
Host, voiceover.
One standout feature is the built-in kickstand, which provides stability when using the device in laptop mode. However, it's worth noting that the kickstand only supports landscape orientation, limiting flexibility for users who prefer portrait mode. In terms of versatility, the Spectre Foldable offers 3 modes: laptop, tablet, and desktop.
Whether you're typing up documents,
sketching, or multitasking, this device adapts to your needs with ease.
Under the hood, the Spectre Foldable packs a punch with an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a speedy 1 TB SSD.
While it may not be the latest and greatest in terms of specs, it handles everyday tasks with aplomb. One of the highlights of the Spectre Foldable is its vibrant OLED display, delivering crisp visuals and immersive viewing experiences. Paired with Bang & Olufsen tuned speakers, you'll enjoy rich audio whether you're watching movies or listening to music. Battery life is decent, offering around 10 hours of usage on a single charge.
And thanks to efficient heat management, the device remains cool even during demanding tasks. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the webcam.
While the Spectre Foldable boasts a 5-megapixels camera, its placement makes it impractical for desktop use. However, HP includes a physical shutter for privacy and additional software features for enhanced video quality.
In conclusion,
the HP Spectre Foldable impresses with its innovative design and versatile functionality. However, its steep price tag and some usability quirks may give potential buyers pause.
Nevertheless, if you're in the market for a premium foldable laptop,
the Spectre Foldable certainly delivers. That wraps up our review of the HP Spectre Foldable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.
Until next time, happy gadget hunting!